Hello, my darling Fumination. How are you? How are you all doing? Are you guys enjoying the summer? We've got all kinds of treats for you here at Fumination headquarters. Yes, the embassy. I hope all of you have your passports because we're going in leaps and bounds. Approximately this time last year, I gave you a fabulous backless bra hack that kind of sort of went viral. You guys just lived for it. I'm a limousine girl and I'm proud. I've breastfed 2 boys, my husband and my son. I'm still breastfeeding one of them and it's not Adrian. Guess who? Anyway, this is a family friendly episode, so let us get to it. I loved the fact that you guys loved the backless bra hack. A lot of you said, Fumi, the tape underneath. Now, I want you guys to understand that for limousine girls, and I'm proud, I love my girls. They are heavy. So you can put the bra, but you need the support from the underneath. So I said to myself, for 2022, we're going to improve it from 2021. We are coming with a flawless finish bra hack of all time that is unique. Yes, I have patented it. The bras are coming. Yes, I'm a mama. And COVID really had an effect on us. So that is why, limited travel, because I am very, very much a micromanager because I want this thing to be flawless for you guys. But I've come out with yet another bra hack for you guys. The most flawless, seamless bra hack for limousine girls first, and for all of my girls. You want to have that seamless, beautiful, backless bra hack without the tape? Why not? Come on through. Because we're putting the tape where? Inside of the cup. Alright, so let us start. There were a couple of things. The first bra that I did for you guys was, it had the gore, which is the center of the bust. It was high. What do you mean for me? I want to tell you that I read all of your messages. I'm honored and proud that I'm at a stage now where I really honestly cannot respond to all of them. If I'm responding to your messages, then I will not be able to bring you guys content. It's just impossible. And so I make it a point to read. A lot of you said, Fumi, we want to have that deep V. We want to be able to show our décollage. So I got a bra that had the deep V for big busts. Do you understand? Okay. Now, like I had shown you in the first episode, and I'm going to do it again just for you to understand. I have the piece here, as a matter of fact. This, my darlings, is the back of the bra. Do you understand? I took off the strap and I cut, as you can see, I cut the back of the bra because it's going to be backless, but we need the underwire for the extra support. Okay, so we cut it off and then we took the strap that was here, we positioned it and brought it there, so that way you have the cup like so, and then you have the straps on the side because the entire back has been taken off. Do you understand? So we got the front, and we have no back. The back is this, and that is what we've taken off. Now here is the tricker loops. Double-sided tape is the key. Why? Because instead of having the tape underneath to lift up and support the bust, we put the tape inside of the cup. What do you mean for me? This is what I mean. There you go. This, my darlings, is double-sided tape. Because you have the underwire that will lift the bust into the cup, your breast will stay in the cup and it is lifted by the shoulder straps. The shoulder straps, I'll do another episode for you. They can be clear shoulder straps. It doesn't matter. The point being is that you will no longer have the tape underneath. And my darlings, what are we going to do? I am going to demonstrate for you exactly what I mean. So sit tight, my darlings, get your drinks, it's getting exciting. I'll be right back. Are we ready, my darlings? And let me step back a little bit so that you guys can see. There you have it. Because you have the double-sided tape inside of the cup of the bra, look. Just look. You no longer need that tape underneath because it's holding on what? On the inside. Flawless, seamless, backless bra. There you go. Can you see it? All here is taped in that you cut off. You no longer need the tape underneath. For those of you that say, oh my God, does it hurt the skin? No, we have it on the inside. Double-sided boob tape. Do we love, my darlings? Do we love? Wanted to show you, wanted to share. As you can see, mama is a big girl. Yep, there you go. Complete and seamless, because you have what? You have the double-sided tape, and there you have the complete backless bra. Do we love, my darlings? Do we love? There you have it. Let me put on a dress for you guys so that you can see. I'll do it again for you so that you can see with clear straps. I'm coming out with very wide, beautiful, very skin-like straps. And guess what, my darlings? If you like, you can adjust your bust. There you go. And there you have your deep V, and you have it completely backless. And my darlings, you can wear that dress so you can have that fabulous backlessness, because the double-sided tape inside the cup is what keeps it up, with the extra support also of the straps. Do we love, my darlings? Do we love? 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 We are going to have the 90-day detox. When I get you girls together, you're going to be fuminized. That's what we're calling it. Fuminize me, baby. I will fuminize you, my darlings. Let mama get dressed and I'll be right back. Mwah. Do we live, darlings? Do we love? Let me turn it around for you so that you can see. Help me, darling. Help me. Just look. Just look. Completely and absolutely backless. So you can wear your summer dresses. It's not only your party dresses, but these beautiful summer dresses that show your entire back. You can go ahead and you can work with it. I'm coming out. I will have clear tape all on the side here. So you see the bra is there, but your arm is down. And again, I have the previous episode on how to get a beautiful, flawless, clear, free of pigmentation, gorgeous back, so that you are just looking fabulous. You're hot to trot. Do we love, my darlings? Do we love? So go ahead, leave all of your questions, queries in the comment section. Let me know. But there you have it. This is summer 2022. This is an upgrade of the first backless bra hack that I did. Here you got it. You do not have the tape underneath. You can go ahead and you can rock your clothes. Do we love, my darlings? Do we love? Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Do you know that only 30% of my viewers are subscribed? Can you believe that? And we're like 300,000 or something. So that means, Fumi, you're kind of sort of close to 1 million Fumination citizens. Yeah, come on and subscribe. Go ahead, my darlings. All of my love, darlings, and I'll see you very soon. I hope you enjoyed it. I live and I love, because I love this dress, and I can go ahead and I can rock a backless, beautiful backless bra with it and still feel supported with my big limousine girls that I love. They ask me all the time, Fumi, do you have implants? I don't. I breastfed Adrian and they blew up. And I love it. Alright, sweets. I'll see you later. Mwah. Bye.